Song Jae-rim's posthumous film, Crypto Man, confirms premiere date with new poster. The late Song Jae-rim's upcoming film, Crypto Man, has unveiled a new poster along with its confirmed premiere date. Based on the true story of the cryptocurrency crash that shook the world, Crypto Man explores the world of startup investments, day trading in stocks, and get-rich-quick cryptocurrency schemes. The film stars Song Jae-rim, Eun Woo-yeon, Min Sung-wook, So Hee-young, and Cha Young-won. Song Jae-rim plays Yang Do-hyun, the protagonist and self-proclaimed business genius who develops the virtual currency called Mommy. As the film is based on a true incident that caused numerous victims and that is still awaiting a final ruling from judicial authorities, Crypto Man underwent careful review and legal consultation, drawing on a thorough investigation and legal cases. Director Hyun Hae-ri of the film, 9 Times Fired, which received acclaim at the Cannes International Drama Festival, is behind the camera. Known for her socially conscious documentaries, Hyun Hae-ri said, "I aim to present the story as realistically and sharply as possible while incorporating elements of dark comedy." Following his passing this past November, Song Jae-rim's final film, Crypto Man, will hit theaters on January 15 next year.